Let's go. Welcome everybody to the channel. Read that disclaimer and we'll get over to XCN. I wanted to bring something to you on the charts today. Kind of giving you the hidden value of XCN. Right now, XCN sitting at 0.00609. It's down today at 1.30%. And I wanted to bring this to you on this chart. I got this channel here ever since XCN launched. It came down. It hit that trend line right there, and it came all the way down to the bottom of the trend line. And as you can see here, we made like a W here, and then we run up in this cycle here to, I'd say, let's see, the high was 0.04934, almost 5 cents. And right now we've been steady on a downward trend. Right now we're kind of forming another W pattern. And let me bring that to your attention now. We would have to get to confirm this. I want to show you, we got this W where you can see right here, we come down, we went up, and we come back down, we're making another, and we on the way back up. To confirm this, we need to get above this area right here at 00945. If we can get above 00945, we can confirm this is a breakout, we could push up much higher. And I wanted to bring that to your attention. But another thing I want to bring to you is the hidden price of these different alts that we cover here. So, as we can see right here, we was way down here at 00113 back on November the 24th. And we ran all the way up to almost 5 cents there. We got the bottom side of XCN here, and we got the top side. Well, this top side is kind of, to me, is a hidden price. Because we're in a bear market, we really don't see the true value of an asset in a bear market until we start going back in a bull market. And you ask, well, the price on the chart says 00606, but that's not the true fact of it. I want to show you what the real true value of XCN is right now. And many might say, no, that ain't true. Well, right now, XCN's true value right there sits about 9 cents. 9 cents right now. So investing in XCN right now at 00606, your return right now at this current time would be 9 cents. So about a 15 to 18x from where you would buy XCN at this price right now. About a 15 to 18x return. Okay. Now, we might just come across here, and to be honest with you, we may not form this full W pattern and go up any at all. We may run up to this area. We might just run up to right there around 00945 or get right below it, get rejected, and come back down to this red line right here at 00304 at the bottom of the bear market, and then start going back up over here. But I wanted to come and tell you, we could probably around October, November of 28 is probably where October, November could end up going into January. We could see the next bull run cycle top. And you may ask me, where do you think XCN's going to be? Well, by this channel here, you could be seeing a return of XCN somewhere around 37 to 40 cents. And it's hit this every time. Since it came right back, and that's where the top was, and it came back to the bottom. I do believe that we could go up, but we're going to pull back again, people. This is not the bottom for Bitcoin. This ain't the bottom for the bear market, and I want to bring that to your attention. We could have a rally, go up and come back down, sweep these lows, and then start going back up. You know what I'm saying? And that's what I'm trying to bring to your attention. But anywhere, I mean, it's left up to you. You could start buying XCN right now, or you can wait and take the chance on believing what we say here on the channel, what we think, and get in it after it rallies and it comes back down later in the year, or because it's going to come back down. It's going to come down lower than what it is right now. It's going to come down to this red line, and that's at 00411. Well, you look back over here. That was this bear market low over here as well. We're sitting up much higher. We're still in an upward trend. So the next bull run cycle on XCN, you're looking at 35 to 40 cent bull market cycle top. There's going to be a lot more in favor of XCN with the live network going live the 27th of this month. You're going to have the Clarity Act. Probably if it don't get passed by then, something's wrong. But you'll have the Clarity Act, and you're probably going to have by the next bull run top cycle, crypto being used in the United States, and XCN somewhere going to be utilized. So I'm saying that this is where we're going to end up at 35 to 40 cent the next bull run cycle top. And if you get in, you start getting in down here. That's you figure 40. That's almost a 80x. An 80x return from the bear market to the bull market top. So how can you go wrong on this token? It didn't do what we wanted to do this because it launched right at the end of a bull market. It launched very high, and yes, it did come down low. It launched, I forgot where it was at. This is up here at 10 cents, but I believe it was way more than that. This is on TradingView from where they started charting it out, keeping up with it, putting it on their platform. But it was higher than this, but it came down, and I hate to say, I don't think it ain't gonna go to $1 right now. Maybe in the second bull run from here, probably, but not the next one. But I do see this token going to 35, 40 cent in the next bull run cycle top. So you're getting a 80. Well, right now it would probably be, I don't even know, I ain't figured it up, but you can figure it up by the price. It going to 35 at the most 40 cents. The next bull run top, cycle top. You just think for every if you invest $1,000, uh, what your return would be, and it going to 35 or 40 cents. Just do that. Just $1,000 in XCN. The chart don't lie. It don't. I'm telling you, it don't lie. It does not lie. We form this W pattern. We come up. And once it look at here. Once you form this W pattern, this is on the weekly chart. Once you form this W pattern, and you broke out, look at the volume right there. You'll see if you'll get a high. You'll get a high candle. You'll get a high volume wick. You got two of them there, and that's how quick it run up. In 2 weeks, it run up from 0.0252 all the way to 5 cents. Look at that return. Well, and during the bear market, it was still going up. It went up, it came back down, and the little alt seasons, it came back down, but it was still in an upward trend. Well, this is what we're going to do. We're going to stay, XCN is going to stay in an upward trend, and it's going to go 35, 40 cents. I'm telling you that. I'm bringing you that information. Trying to show you on the chart here. This could be another W pattern that's forming, that we have a small rally. Probably could get back up to 2 cents or better right here on this rally. If it confirms that it is a rally, we got the FOMC meeting this week, economic data coming out. We could pull back some, but later on in a couple, in a week, it could be in the next couple of days, we see a rally. It could be next month, we see this rally continue up. We could push back up a little over 2 cents right here at this top double resistance right here that we tried to get above before and couldn't. We could push back up there at 2 cents, right above 2 cents, and then get rejected, come back down, have that great falling back that Bitcoin's going to do, and then come down, sweep this bottom here, this red line here, hit that trend line, and go back up. And that's what I want to bring to your attention. I'm telling you, if you got invested, you invested in XCN. Listen what I'm telling you. Keep this. I'm not going to take this down. Keep it up. We shoot up above this line, and we make it up here to this next resistance area where it's tried 1, 2, 3, and this will be. I think we're going to make a 4th try for it, and then we may get right above it and get rejected. Okay, if you get above this red line, you in profits at the end of that point in time. Don't think we're going to the moon. We're getting out, and we're going to let it come back down, because Bitcoin's going to pull back. We're going to let it. We're going to come back. We're going to get out with our profits. We're going to come back when it comes down here and sweeps this bottom red line. We're going back in, and 6x our return on what we invest in, and that's where you make your money. And then sometime next year, if we get another rally, we'll take it out again once it tries to hit that top red line again. So that's what I'm trying to bring to your attention. If you like the content, subscribe to the channel. But I'm telling you, this is where XCN's. If you watch this video, you subscribe to the channel, you'll say, "Man, he was right." And I'm gonna bring other alts to you, also, where they gonna top out at, where we're looking for them to bottom out at, and where we in here now but where we're going to get out and then get back in. So if you like the content, subscribe to the channel. And to the next one, God bless you.